Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why Canadians can't use Wealthsimple. I know this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. But before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Wealthsimple is and why it's so popular. Wealthsimple is a financial technology company that offers a variety of investment services, including robo-advising, stock trading, and cryptocurrency investing. It's a great platform for people who are new to investing or who don't have a lot of time to manage their finances. So, why can't Canadians use Wealthsimple? Main content. The reason why Canadians can't use Wealthsimple is because it's not registered with the Canadian Securities Exchange, CSE. The CSE is the primary stock exchange in Canada, and all investment platforms that operate in Canada must be registered with it. Wealthsimple is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in the United States, but this registration doesn't allow it to operate in Canada. So, what does this mean for Canadians? It means that Canadians can't open a Wealthsimple account and invest their money through the platform. However, there are a few alternatives that Canadians can use. One option is to use a Canadian-based investment platform, such as Wealthsimple Trade or Questrade. These platforms are registered with the CSE and offer similar services to Wealthsimple. Another option is to use a global investment platform, such as eToro or Interactive Brokers. These platforms are not registered with the CSE, but they allow Canadians to invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Of course, there are some risks associated with using global investment platforms. For example, you may be subject to different regulations and taxes. However, if you're comfortable with the risks, then a global investment platform can be a good option for you. So, that's why Canadians can't use Wealthsimple. It's because Wealthsimple is not registered with the CSE, which is the primary stock exchange in Canada. However, there are a few alternatives that Canadians can use, such as Canadian-based investment platforms or global investment platforms. Ultimately, the best option for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. See you next time. I hope this helps.